Hello everybody, we will make a blockchain explorer project with Rust in this video series, and I started a brand new Rust project and I created some basic implementations. For example, I installed necessary libraries. What are they? Tokyo and logger.env and at other most required libraries, and also alloy library. Alloy library is a EVM compatible network library connection library. We can connect to networks and listen them and make some things with on these networks. Actually, this is a client library, we can say this, and there is some settings about my VS Code in here, as you can see. I will not explain all of them, of course, but in short, I can say that this project will be full of the features implementations for a blockchain explorer, and it will support most known networks, for example Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, and maybe other networks, and also most known EVM compatible networks too, for example ZKSync and Polygon and others. Let me show the code. This is dependency 3 dependencies, I mean, and in main rs I only set .env and env logger, and then I created an app rs. All the project will be run on here. Of course, I will write lots of codes and create lots of folders and files, and I will try to explain all of them. And of course, I will look to some documentations about the alloy library mostly, because alloy is completely rewrite of the Ethers arrays. Ethers arrays is an old library, and it deprecated. Deprecated 2 years ago. Because of that, we will use alloy library. In internet, if you investigate how to communicate with Ethereum and Ethereum compatible network, almost all the tutorials and examples are related to Ethers arrays. But as I said, Ethers arrays is deprecated, and because of that we will use alloy library. Fine. Let us continue to this example. Let us run this. I'm copying and creating a new file. File name maybe Ethereum connection example rs. Of course, we will use async, and before that we will create a module. And yes, the editor knows this file and now, and async ETH connection example. We will use anyhow all the return types, because it will make easy our most of jobs. For example, we can use question mark easily. We must import necessary things. RPC URL. Yes, we will use RPC URL in env file. We only set infra k. Actually, I will think about that. Maybe we can use infra or alchemy or our custom our custom node. Doesn't matter. But we have to create an infrastructure for easily switch to one network to another, or one node to another, I mean. In first, I will use infra, but in the future, we will change the infrastructure. But currently, infra will be enough for us. Pub is not allowed by any item. You like me to define an item. Pub fn, of course. Async fn. Subscribe blocks, it didn't know, but we must import necessary things for working all the things. Take where, take come from, features util probably. I result. Example is using different things, but features util is required for us to features util add, and now it must be no take function where comes. Okay, yes, it's editor now. We will use RPC URL to Ethereum Sepolia, for example. Let me copy this and paste in here. Of course, I will manage all the, and I mean all the codes, and I will review and modify the code with correct and I mean I will put this kind of constants to correct place. In currently we don't need this. Code review phase will be second phase. Yes, let us run ETH connection example function, and we will use results. Actually, we don't need to use results, but yes, log info ETH connection example stop finished without any error. We must print or handle all the errors. ETH connection example error. Yes, let us run the project. Awaiting block headers. Latest block number, yes, is showing. Let us check Etherscan. Latest block number. So where will we connect? Infra Sepolia, not the mainnet. We must switch to Sepolia Explorer. Sepolia Explorer. Yes, Sepolia Explorer. Latest block 7,937,220. Yes. The listener took to four new blocks, and then it finished. Okay, but actually we don't want that. Stream sub into stream. We will not take only 4, but let it stay here as comment and listen all the blocks. Okay, currently awaiting block headers. Take the stream and print the block. No, we don't want to comment, explain comment, I mean, because we will review and we will put all the places, all the blocks in functions, and function name will explain the what its job. Because of that, we don't need any comment in the code. Let us run this project continuously. When will we save? The project will restart. Yes, it seems everything is okay. We can continue with alloy library, and we can look to all the examples, even WebSocket, IPC, and HTTP. Examples are explaining everything, and there are lots of examples. Even you didn't use this library before, you can easily understand and use it. Okay, let us move these blocks to necessary places. For example, create a new folder, chains. Of course, everything will be changed, don't worry about that. I will think about everything. I created a folder with name is chains. We will store everything about blockchain network in here. Maybe we can find better name for this, but actually it isn't too much important. Chains, constants rs. Maybe we will no, yes, constants is okay. Pub mod Ethereum, no, not Ethereum, infra. As I said, we will use different nodes. Maybe we use infra for Ethereum mainnet, or maybe we use Alchemy for Polygon, for example. We can switch easily between networks and providers. Because of that, we will add everything in constants, and we will make it switchable on the runtime, not the development time. We will make this, and also this project will have admin panel. We will manage everything on admin panel, and also the users. It will be user registration and user authentication, authorization, whatever you want to call. Okay. Infra, what is there in infra? There are lots of things in infra, of course, all endpoints. Ethereum, Polygon, Linea. What is Linea? I don't know. Actually, there are lots of EVM based networks in internet, but we will use some of them. Pub const let me think about that. No, pub mod Ethereum mainnet. We will use application client server curd. Oh, I must remove the uBlock origin, disable uBlock origin, I mean, 40 requests in 1 hour, 40 requests. But yes, I see alloy library is making requests in behind, but actually we don't want it. Sepolia, we want only use WebSocket. Okay, the infra is calculating WebSocket and HTTP requests or incoming data in same calculation. Okay. RPC URL eth Sepolia mainnet. Let us copy the mainnet URL to here. I must specify the type of the constant. Mainnet Sepolia and Holesky URL, Sepolia URL. Okay, now let us make same thing for Polygon 2. Polygon's mainnet, Polygon mainnet, okay. Polygon MOI. Okay, we don't need Holesky in here. For example, optimism, I want to add ZKSync and I will finish here. Later we will add others, of course. Sepolia and mainnet, Sepolia, ZKSync mainnet, and ZKSync Sepolia. Okay. We will add API key end of these strings. Actually, HTTPS side we don't need to. We can remove them, and also we can create a new struct for managing these networks and their name and their connection style, RPC, HTTP or WebSocket. Actually, we will use HTTP and WebSocket, of course, but let us choose a new manager struct. What is name? We must select a correct name for this. Okay, chain provider is best, I think. Add pub mod chain provider, pub struct, and name string actually, as I remember, these structs could be exist in Alloy library, but currently we will use this if there are structs or better options for this kind of things. We will switch to Alloy's things, but actually we will not use Alloy for all the networks, but because of that we have to create our own provider struct. Okay, chain provider enum connection type WS HTTPS IPC. HTTPS WebSockets IPC. Okay, connection type, never use it, no problem. Is pub is testnet, no, is mainnet boolean. What should be other properties? Let us think. Name connection type is mainnet. Okay, and URL. Yes, this will be enough, I think. Debug clone. Debug clone is enough. Okay. Actually, we need to implement some functions to here. And debug clone and default, of course. Why default? Why default? Because we want to create easily these structs. Actually, I'm an old Java and other top most known garbage collected language developer, but and I like to use builder pattern for classes. In Rust we don't have classes, and we don't have good support for creating structs easily with builder pattern. Because of that, we have to implement all the necessary things ourselves. For example, with new we can create default, and then we must create builder pattern. Builder pattern ourselves. As you can see, we must create all the functions for ourselves, but is it required? I don't know. Maybe we not require, but it will easy. It will make our job easily. You will see in the future. Let us make same thing, all of them. With connection type, connection types name, type name I mean. Okay, copy paste is mainnet boolean. Actually we can use AI based IDE for this kind of tasks, but I don't like to use AI based IDE for developing Rust and other. Actually I hate AI based library, AI based editors, because it makes us lazy. Yes, it makes people lazy. I mean, I think senior developers must not use AI based IDE. Yes, everyone must be use AI, but not in development. Okay, let us continue to use this chain provider in here. Of course we will change this functions place and functions name in future. Create new, and with connection type. What is connection type? Not HTTPS. WebSockets. With is mainnet false. With name Sepolia. Actually we can change. I mean, we can create a constant for this name, and don't write move to necessary place with URL. Our URL is here. Oh, no, not here. Our URL is here. Infra, Ethereum, Sepolia to string. Sepolia. So yes, this is Sepolia WebSocket. Where is WebSocket? Oh, Sepolia. As you can see, there are difference between WebSocket and HTTP API endpoints. Because of that, we have to handle this infra. Infra's WebSocket provider is different, and HTTP provider, your URL different. Okay, for now, Polygon mainnet infra. For now, we will create a struct in here. Infra provider. infra provider. No, let me think about that. Chain provider. Okay, I will think about that. Maybe we must not make the things harder like that, but as I said, we want to support almost all the networks. Because of that, we have to think how to add these things. Okay, infra provider. Let us remove things. Unnecessary things, I mean. We want only static things. For example, Sepolia Infra IO is static and WSV3 is changing. HTTP and WSS changing. For this we don't want these. We will add these things before and after with chain provider. Connection type provider. We must set provider. What should be its name? Provider company, maybe. Provider service. Provider service should be enum infra alchemy. No, not alchemy. Yes, alchemy. And alchemy myself, infra alchemy other. Okay, we must derive these things for. We must derive all the necessary things for this struct too, and also service providers. With service provider services. Let us use this chain provider. Yes, provider service, not alchemy, infra. Yes, we set all the necessary things, and now we will implement the toString. Impl display for chain providers. Oh, we imported from wrong place. Yes, we will use right. Sometimes I'm forgetting implementing some things, but we can use this. Right. Now we self point connection type. Yes. Now we can create. We can create URL with here. How can we handle it? Let's connection type match WSS HTTPS IPC HTTPS 2. We got the connection type. Yes. Yes, connection type argument never used. Yes, of course, never used. And then what we need for WebSockets, we need here. For HTTP we need here. Okay. W is WS self nokta connection type nokta EQ we must derive EQ partial EQ of not here connection type only partial EQ other connection type WS. If it is WS, no, not only here. B3, if it is WS, it will be like here. Yes, WS suffix. URL suffix. We can call it like this. URL suffix. Yes, and then we need to API key. API key. We didn't set API key, but we can make it easily. String let us set API key in here. API key should be string. With API key. Where is API key? API key is coming from env env. I'm forgetting sometimes. And because of that I have to look. Oh yes, env var unwrap. Okay. Expect. Yes. We have chain provider now. We can convert it to string easily, and we don't need add RPC URL hard-coded. Let us check it again. Awaiting block headers. Infra Sepolia. Yes, it is listening now. Let us print the generated URL. Generated URL. Yes, generated URL is here. WSS Sepolia infra. Let us switch Sepolia to mainnet. And generated URL WSS mainnet infra block, latest block 2 million to 2008,000 whatever. Okay, let us check it in, where is it? Yes, Etherscan. Yes, 2 million 2008. Yes, we can listen all the blocks. Now it's fine. Let us subscribe to transactions, but latest transactions 11 sec ago. We will actually today's video is enough for now. This is first video in this video series, and of course we will make store these incoming blocks and other things, for example transactions. We will store these in here, and also we will serve these information to the front end from WebSocket or server sent event. I didn't decide it yet, but we probably use server sent event because it is faster, and it is, I don't know, it makes me exciting. Because of that I will use server sent event, maybe, I don't know. Okay, today's video is enough, I think, and I will continue, of course, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like and add comment to my video. Okay, happy coding. Bye bye.